How to sort down laptop with keyboard on Windows 11. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the easiest and quickest way to shut down your laptop with keyboard on Windows 11. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video, you will know how to sort down using your keyboards. So first of all, you have to just press on Windows and X on your keyboard. So at once you need to press it. So let's press in it, and then menu bar will open. Once it opens, you just have to click on U button, and then another bar will open, and again you need to click on U. And once done, as you can see that it has been sorting down. So that's how we easily sort down our laptop with keyboard on Windows 11. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.